Hello friends, in this video we can study about the subject Mathematics Standard 10. Topic number 1, similarity. Following concept we can study in the first topic, similarity. First concept, ratio of area of two triangle. Second concept, basic proportionality theorem and its converse. Third concept, test of similar triangle. And last one, property of area of similar triangles. First concept, ratio of area of two triangles. Ratio means a ratio of the two number, means division of the two numbers. See here, ratio of the two numbers a and b is m as to n. That is, ratio is written in m upon n. And another concept we can study it in 9th standard, area of the triangle is equal to 1/2 base into height. This concept we can use in the concept ratio of area of two triangle. Observe the two figures on the screen. First figure, triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, BC is the base and AD is the height. In triangle PQR, QR is the base and PS is the height. By using ratio of area of two triangle means here division of the area of the two triangles. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to, by using formula, 1/2 BC into AD divided by 1/2 QR into PS. 1/2 factor numerator denominator cancel because these are the same factors. Therefore another step, 1/2 cancel, then we get area of the two triangles is equal to BC into AD divided by QR into PS. That is, ratio of the area of the two triangles is equal to BC means B1, AD means H1, QR means B2, PS means H2. B1 H1 means base and height of the first triangle. B2 H2 means base and height of the second triangle. Hence we get first result, ratio of area of two triangles is equal to B1 into H1 divided by B2 into H2. By using this result we get the first condition. If height of the two triangles are same, then how to get the ratio of area of two triangles? Observe the figure on the screen. In triangle ABC and in triangle PQR, BC is the base, AD is the height. Height is suppose H. QR is the base, PS is the height H. Then ratio of area of two triangles is equal to BC into height is H and divided by QR into height is H. H is the common factor, this is cancel. We get BC upon QR. Therefore area of the ratio of area of two triangle, that is area triangle ABC divided by area triangle PQR is equal to B1 upon B2. Means we get, if the height is same, then ratio of area of two triangles is equal to ratio of the corresponding bases. Second condition, if the base of the both triangles are equal. In triangle ABC, observe the figure, AB is the base and H1 is the height. And in triangle ABP, AB is the base, means base are same and H2 is the height. By using result we get ratio of area of two triangle, triangle ABC and triangle APB, AB into H1 divided by AB into H2. AB is the same factor, cancel, remaining H1 upon H2, means ratio of area of two triangles is equal to H1 upon H2 if the base of the two triangles are same. Therefore we get a ratio of area of two triangles if equal, bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. Third condition, if the base and height are same, means b1 equal to b2 and h1 equal to h2, then ratio of area of two triangles is equal to 1. That is, a1 is equal to a2, means area of the two triangles are equal. Friends, this is the first concept, ratio of area of two triangles. Make the charts depends on these formulae. See on the screen. These are the important formulae about the each concept into the topic. First concept, ratio of area of two triangles. Second, BPT, basic property theorem. This is the basic concept. Next one, angle bisector theorem. 3, parallel line and transversal. Next, similar triangle, test for the similar triangle and its properties. These are the important concept, depends on the first topic. Make the chart and then solve the examples, depends on the first concept. Understand the solved example into the book and then solve the practice set for the first concept.